part is phonics
Phonics
also.
sounds.
But in these days there are so many classes also. They are teaching phonics to the students. But you are don't worry about that. Your students are learning your phonics
Yes.
itself in the schooling life. Okay, you no need to join any other classes for
Yes.
phonics. Basically, we have certified teachers here for phonics also. So we are taking phonics sounds in daily basis. So
With actions and
with
their
actions, and in nursery they have to know only A to Z phonic sound, nothing else. No need to know the digraphs and no need to read out the words. Okay, they just have to recognize what is the sound of particular letter. So we are taking these sounds in daily basis. These sounds, phonic sound basically helps children in writing, in reading, and in speaking also. Okay, it will develop some language skills. Okay, over here. So phonics is too much important thing nowadays.
Yes.
So we are taking this here. So everyone do the action with me. Teacher is showing the
I'm
letters
showing
here.
the,
In class also the same thing is happening. We have assistant teacher. Both of us have assistant teacher. They are showing these letters to children, and one of the teacher is doing the action. Action with sound. Okay.
I will
So
show you this.
while teaching them the phonics, we are taking A to Z. But in classes, basically the first letter we have teach the L letter. So sometimes we are revising that phonics in L, T, H pattern. This pattern also we are revising the things. But in A to Z pattern also we are revising the thing on daily basis.
Actually, we are teaching the letters on the basis of standing line, sleeping line. But when we are taking phonic sounds, we are taking alphabetically order, in alphabetical order. So whenever we are taking the phonic session, we are taking alphabetically. But when we are teaching the how to write the letters or numbers, so we are taking on the basis of the standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, curves. So on that basis. So
Basically the motto is showing letters
This-
is that they can recognize
yes, the letter.
what is the letter actually. Only orally होने से नहीं होता. They should recognize for which letter I am
Visually.
pronouncing that sound. So we are showing this letter also and doing some actions and sound along with these flashcards. Okay.
Because our kids are learning in three different ways, like visually, audibly, and kinesthetically. Most of the kids can understand by hearing itself, and most of the kids they see and then only they can tell. And most of the means rare cases, they will feel the things and then only they will tell. So these three kinds of things are there. So basically, the toddlers can recognize through this. Their whole toddlers life.
So should we start?
Yes.
Everyone have to do actions, okay?
Yes.
No excuse for anyone. Yes, let's start.
See.
So